With your bio, you have your username and your name on top. Some people are using keywords here in their username, but you can only change it once, so be careful. Your first 3 lines are going to be the most important. So you want to have your mission statement, your tagline, or people need to know what you do in these 3 lines because they can't see the full profile. So for example, if I go to your Jean Lee, this is a room, and if I go to his profile, you see I can only see these 3 things, and then I go to show full profile, nice and organized with emojis. So when editing your profile, it can be really hard to edit here. I recommend you edit, you type it out in notes or something, but you want to talk about basically what you do it for. You want to say if your DMs are open because a lot of people are following you on Instagram. You also want to say what your intent is with Clubhouse. Do you want to co-host rooms, or you're looking to network with local vendors and put information about your business, a little background story. I talk about my location, my likes. So there's so much room that you can do here. Hashtags aren't really important. I just use that. You want to make sure you're always linking your Instagram and your Twitter because that's how people can find you. And remember, there's a lot of SEO juice here in the first 3 lines. So if you're unsure what to write, just go to the search bar and look for the keyword of what you do and see who's showing up in the 21st results. You could get some good ideas too, but people are really being creative with their bios because there's a lot that you can do with your Clubhouse bio. So go get to it.